Now let's move on to merging lists. How to merge lists? Say we have two lists. List A is the numbers 1, 3 and 5. List B is the numbers 7, 9 and 11. So the first three odd numbers and the next three odd numbers. We want to merge these two lists into one big list of odd numbers. The first 6 odd numbers. How do you do it? So this is called basically merging of lists. A quick and easy way to do it is to use the extend function. So when you say list 1 dot extend list 2, so this is list 1, this is list 2. So 1 gets appended to 2, as simple as that. So that's how you can merge lists. The next thing is list indexing. Well, we know indexes start with 0. The list indexing always starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, there are 9 elements in the list, 1 to 9. The indexing would start with 0 and end at 8. That's simple enough. So this part should be pretty clear. Now there's also something called as negative indexing. Negative indexing. What is negative indexing? When you want to index this list, we start with 0 at the very beginning. What if you want to find out the last element, or what if you want to start at the very end? Say you want to find out the third element from the end. How do you do that? If there was no negative indexing, the way to do it is to find out the length of the list. Say the length of the list is 9. So 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6, right? So 6 would be the third element from the end. But with negative indexing, we don't have to do this. You can just simply say minus 3 and it gives you the third element from the end. That's called negative indexing. Simple, right? So let's do these two things in the system, merging lists and indexing lists. So the odd numbers 1 list equals 135. The second list is, right? So to merge these two lists, we say odd underscore 1 dot extend odd underscore 2. Okay. Now what is odd underscore 1? Oops, looks like I have done it twice. So let me do this again. 1, 2, 3. See that? All of the elements are merged together. So that's merging a list. Next thing is indexing lists. Right? So let's say this is the list 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So numbers equals 9 numbers. So to get the first number, you say numbers of 0. Right? To get the last number, we say there are 9 numbers, right? So 9 minus 1, 8. Numbers of 8. Right? That's positive indexing. Now negative indexing works like this. Numbers of minus 1. It doesn't start with 0 or a minus 0. It starts with a minus 1. And what's the last element? 9. So numbers of minus 1 will be 9. And what if you want to get the third element? You say numbers of minus 3. You get 7. So this is called lists indexing, both positive and negative.